Picture yourself spending an entire day with this bicycle-powered tiny home, not rushing, not planning the next obligation, just existing in the moment. The longer you imagine it, the more perfect the idea becomes. This is not simply a shelter on wheels. It is a carefully balanced relationship between movement, rest, and nature. Everything about this design quietly teaches patience, awareness, and freedom. The beauty of this mobile home lies in how honest it is. There is nothing fake, nothing exaggerated. It does not promise luxury in the traditional sense. Instead, it promises control over your own life. When you wake up inside this small space, you know exactly where everything is. There is no wasted area, no unused corner. Each square inch has meaning. This creates a sense of mental clarity that is very rare in modern living. As morning light enters through the windows, the interior slowly fills with soft brightness. You don't wake up to alarms, traffic, or city noise. You wake up to light, air, and silence. You open the curtains and immediately see the world outside. A lake, a field, a quiet road, or trees moving gently in the wind. Your home is not separating you from nature, it is placing you inside it. The compact size makes daily life feel intentional. When you sit down, you are fully present. When you eat, you taste your food more clearly. When you rest, your body truly relaxes. There is no overstimulation, no excess. This simplicity is what makes the experience feel rich instead of limited. The design of the camper supports long-term living despite its size. The insulation in the walls would help regulate temperature, keeping it warmer in cool weather and cooler during heat. Combined with proper ventilation, this creates a surprisingly comfortable environment throughout the day and night. The small space heats and cools faster, which is energy efficient and practical. Every movement inside the camper feels smooth and natural. You learn how to move gently, how to place things carefully, how to live with awareness. Over time, this changes how you think and behave even outside the camper. You become calmer, more organized, more thoughtful. When it is time to travel, the process is simple. There is no engine to start, no fuel to check, no complex systems to manage. You step outside, get on the bicycle, and start pedaling. Your home follows you quietly. The road becomes part of your life, not something you rush through. Hills feel challenging but rewarding. Flat roads feel peaceful and meditative. Each stop feels earned. When you decide to rest, you truly rest. You park your home, step inside, and you are already home. No unpacking, no searching for accommodation. This feeling of instant belonging wherever you stop is deeply comforting. As evening approaches, the camper transforms into a warm, protective space. Soft interior lights create a calm atmosphere. The outside world slowly quiets down. You prepare a simple meal, maybe outside, maybe just near an open window. The smells mix with fresh air, creating a feeling that is both grounding and satisfying. At night, the camper feels safe and personal. The walls are close enough to feel protective, but not suffocating. The curtains close the world out gently, not harshly. You lie down knowing that everything you need is right there. No worries about rent, bills, or deadlines. Just rest. Living this way slowly reshapes your understanding of success. Success stops being about owning more or earning more. It becomes about having time, health, freedom, and peace. This tiny bicycle home offers all of that in its own quiet way. Socially, this lifestyle also changes how you interact with people. Strangers become curious rather than distant. Conversations happen naturally. People ask where you are going, how it works, why you chose this life. These interactions feel genuine because your home itself is honest and open. Environmentally, this design feels almost like an apology to nature for everything modern life takes from it. It moves without noise, without pollution, without damage. It rests lightly on the ground. It leaves almost no trace behind. This creates a deep sense of respect and responsibility toward the places you visit. Over weeks, months, even years, this camper becomes more than a structure. It becomes part of your identity. It holds your memories, your thoughts, your growth. It witnesses your quiet mornings, your tired evenings, your moments of joy and doubt. It becomes a trusted companion. This way of living is not about escaping society, it is about choosing how much of it you want to carry with you. It is about removing what is unnecessary so that what remains becomes meaningful. It is about slowing down enough to actually feel alive. As you imagine this bicycle camper one last time, standing peacefully near water, reflecting the sky, you realize something important. A perfect home is not defined by size, cost, or location. A perfect home is one that supports your life instead of controlling